Friends, today I'm going to show that how to add featured videos on Facebook. Friends, to add featured videos on Facebook is an easy process. So friends, for this, first you have to go to your Facebook. After that, you have to tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Then you have to scroll down and you have to go on the featured collections. This is the featured collections, right? So just tap on the new. And here you'll find all the photos. Which photos, if you want, you can add as a featured photos of Facebook, right? But you can't add any videos. But if you want to add on the videos on existing featured collections, just tap on here, then tap on triple dot, then tap on edit featured collections. Now you can add or remove any featured collections from here, right? Then tap on save. But my friends, if you want to add new featured videos on Facebook, on featured collections, how you can add? Friends, for this you have to go on the home options of the Facebook, then tap on create story, because whose video you want to add as a featured collections of Facebook, you have to share that video first on the story. But if you want, you can make it customized like only me, right? So just tap on create story, then you have to select your video, whose video you want to add as a story or featured collections. Just tap on here. After that, if you want, you can make it customized, right? Then my friends, if you want to add something, you can add or remove. Then you have to tap on share. And if you want to make it customized, like tap on privacy. Then you can select from here of the options. Then you have to go back. Then simply you have to tap on share. So before adding the featured videos on Facebook, you have to add the video on the Facebook story, right? But if you want, you can make it customized like only me. So my friends, as you can see, the video is sharing on the Facebook story, right? I have to wait a few seconds. So wait a few seconds right now. See my friends, the story has been shared on the Facebook, right? Now you can open once, then you can go back. After that, you can tap on the profile picture again. Then tap on here, on the featured collections. Here my friends, then tap on new. Friends, you'll not find here, you'll find here after 24 hours, because after 24 hours the story will be gone from the Facebook story. After that it will become on here. Then if you want, you can add easily on the new featured videos collections, or if you want, you can add on the existing featured video collections, right? Just tap on triple dot, then tap on edit featured collections, and you'll find that video here my friends, right? Then simply you have to tap on add more, and you'll find here. So friends, like this, if you want, you can add featured videos on Facebook. Friends, to add featured videos on Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope to next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.